Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this session, we are going to create the monthly IV sheet generated for the month of June. So here you can understand the tutorial and also how we are going to generate the sheet. So previously we are providing this data on Google Sheet monthly Google Sheet scanner. Then we stopped from last November, so we have created a web-based app. So those who are my student, they can already access this particular tool. So now, how we can generate that particular the monthly monthly IV sheet. So I'm going to make you the tutorial along with that how I'm just going to generate that for the month of June. This video you are going to get it. And before going to the video, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this particular sheet is mainly used for our non-directional strategies like 1.1 or 2.FO SBP kind of strategies. It's a positional option course, so where you are going to plan for a non-directional based on the stocks volatility. So here we are going to simply to find out the high volatile stocks based on the current data, so that we are going to plan for next 1 month, like a range, expected range. Based on that we are going to plan with this. And to develop this monthly IV sheet, we needed two data files. One is about a bar copy of that particular last trading session, which are on the monthly basis, not on the expiry day. It is on monthly basis. We try to download the file from NSE site and we are uploading there and to get the data feed. And IV, so where we can get IV in iCharts, they provide the IV. And Abstra, we can provide Abstra provide also IV, but iCharts we can paid version, it will be giving you the data, so where we need to download. So how to download that particular IV OI summary? It is called a OI summary. So here in this future thing, so we need to find out day price, day wise price and OI summary. So where I just having the premium, so you can download the day wise price OI summary. So here it will be plotting all the stocks data. So you need to setting here, filters. You need to create a filters. So you'll be selecting the current month expiry, so 30th June expiry, so it will be listed. And if you are next month expiry, so we can also get it, but that is not required at this moment. So we will be taking a near month contract. But if you already the day is passed, so you can use the historical data to get that particular day. So because we are, yesterday is the monthly expiry, we are going to take the data feed now, so it doesn't change any. So in this thing, so we need to check the IVP, IV change and IVP. This things should be available here. So because this is the main data where we are going to add on this particular files. So based on this levels only, that would be generating the particular sheet. Okay, so let me wait. So yeah, you can look at this IV or IVP. So everything is mentioned here. So you simply download the Excel file. Okay, this is in last update 29 May EOD. I'm just downloading the file and I'm storing on my desktop. Okay, so this is what the file is required to develop this monthly IV sheet. And the second file where I need to get it is NSE bar copy on the same day. So 29th is the last. So we got already the OI summary and market data daily reports, where you can get the derivative tabs to be clicked. And daily report already it is 29th May available. If it is not available, you can go with an archives and you can select the date particularly you want. But here we are taking that a current date, so 29th May. So we will be downloading the file, common bar copy, FOUDIF common bar copy. This file is required to run our scanner. Okay, so both the files which I have downloaded and stored on my desktop. So now what I need to do here in this particular scanner, first I need to upload the bar copy file. So where I downloaded 29th May contract. Okay, so that is what the June data we will be using on the last trading day of the month, not for the expiry day. So last trading day, that you have to remember. And also I'm going to upload day wise price and OS summary. So now initially we are planning with the stock option. So index maybe we will be update, and all expires, you don't click all expires. We are going to plan for the month of June. So 30th 6 2026. And which type of file format? I need a Excel format. So these are all the things we have to do, and after that you start processing. Then the app will be processing the file, and you will be getting monthly IV data 30th June access. So now I have saving this file, and this file is for the month of June. Okay, so you'll be getting the all the data where we are going to find it all the stocks. But if you are using all expiry, means each and every stocks you will be getting three lines, and that means current month, near month, sorry, current month, next month, per month contract would be added. Here I have taken the data for a current month. Okay, so now we can add a sorting filter, the same data only which you are adding on our Google Sheet previously. Now you can automatically generate with this app. It is simply, it will be delivering you the data. So first I am just going to sort by largest to smallest. So this is based on the IVP. So you can look at the sum of the stocks were in there, and IV. So, and I am going to start by the IVP. So we didn't get a much more stocks more than 90. So normally we will look for 80, 85 and above. We consider as a good liquid or IIV. But in this case, we didn't get a much more stocks. And then you can also filter by the IVR. So this GVT, TD, I think GVT and D, Glenmark, Wipros, these are all the things. But as per our logic and as per our concept, so IVP more than 85, you can look at only 2 stocks. Okay, but that IVP rank also not good. So maybe not such a big range we can't able to find out. But in the top list, you can just track on next month how much. Only GVT you maybe track, and other things, Glenmark, Wipro, the top listed things based on the volatility. So here IV is the key factor, but it doesn't mean it is a number is not only the high or low. So we will be seeing these are all the stocks in the top list, and we find out this may be a opportunity in this top listed stocks, and you can plan with this. And this is what our monthly IV sheet for the month of June. Okay, so based on this, you can plan your non-directional strategy by using our positional option strategy. If anyone who are looking about the strategy, so you can also just ping me on my WhatsApp to get more detail about the course. And this is what our monthly IV data where we are generated for the month of June. If you want all expiries, and the new file will be downloaded, but it will be having each and every stocks of three times. So this is what a confusion those are already using. So we'll look at this 3 stocks. That means an expiry, June expiry, July, August, something like that, 3 consecutive expiries. So if you're filtering out with this current expiry or which expiry you want, you can filter out. And finally, the data file which you are already downloaded for the month of June. Sorry, this one is an IV sheet data where we stored it. This is what a monthly IV file. So for the month of June. Okay, so likewise you can generate that most IIV stocks list by using our tool. So that is a web app which you have already created. Now we are running these 2 files, and it is exactly finding out the data and the strike price which your ATM at this moment, and what should be the call price and what should be the put price. So both would be mentioned here, and the range for the expected range of the stock for the month of June, that is also mentioned here. So how much point, probably based on the IV and the current IV and IVP data, so we can easily identify here. And the top listed and top volatile stocks, we can easily find out some better opportunities for the month of June. I hope you enjoyed this session. And if you want to know more about our positional options course, you can also learn. We can provide recorded sessions also. So if you have any other questions or a doubt, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.